Shalom, boys and girls. Today, Eden and I will be introducing to you 3 simple sentences. Eden will read the title first, and then she will read each sentence. In each sentence, you will see simple consonants and blend words. Here is a list of 3-letter words that will be in each sentence, which have their blends and consonants at the end. For instance, B-I, big, big. R-E, re, red. W-I, will. T-O, Tom. Here is a list of 4 and 3-letter words that has 2 vowels in them. Normally, when you see a word that has 2 vowels, the first vowel is normally long, which says its name, and the second vowel is silent. For instance, in this word, the I is long, it says its name, and the E is silent. So it goes like this: I, like. In this word, we have a digraph, EA. A digraph is when you have 2 letters that make one sound. When you say the letter EA together, they make the sound E. Let's sound out this word with the long vowel E. S, E, C. S, E, C. Here is another digraph, AI. When you see the letters A and I next to each other, it makes one sound, and that sound is A. You will pronounce this word like this: ale, sell, ale, sell. Here's another digraph, OA. When you see O and A together, it makes one sound, and the sound is O. So you pronounce this word like this: B-O-T, boat. B-O-T, boat. Boys and girls, it's time to read the sentences now. Eden, she's going to read the sentence, and you can take your time and read the sentence as well.
The big red boat. The big red boat will sail. Tom and I will sail on the sea. I like the big red boat.
Thank you, boys and girls, for listening to Eden as she read the 4 simple sentences. If you would like to read along, just have your parents or an older sibling stop the video, and you can take your time and read each sentence for yourself. I'll see you next time, alive and well.
See you next time, alive and well.
Shalom, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. See you next time, alive and well. Don't forget to like and subscribe.